Okay, so this right here is my new quadruped. This is the first one I'm using with Python. So it took me a few weeks to go learn the code and learn how to use the Raspberry Pi. So I'm gonna just do some basic functions right now. I do have a stand and turn. So this is the stand, that's the sit, and that's the turn. Then I have a basic walk function that I'm gonna start right now. Alright. Okay, so it just fell and we're gonna try that again. Okay, so this right here is the walk function. Forward. Yeah, that worked. Okay. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna make a newer version that's more stable, so it won't walk with all the shaking and everything, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's the walking motion of the robot. So do like, subscribe, comment, and I should have a new one made in about 2 days. So yeah. All right.